Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Black color, grey color, neon color, dark green color, pink color, purple color, orange color and light green color. Let's start. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C for carrot. C for carrot. D for donkey. E for eggplant. E for eggplant. F for frog. F for frog. G for goat. G for goat. H for house. H for house. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jug. J for jug. K for kite. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nose. O for owl. P for piano. Q for queen. R for rain. S for star. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for village. W for water. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share, subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.